If you're thinking of getting this back support cushion, this memory foam support cushion, then this is my honest review. So I've had this now for about a year, maybe 6 months to a year. And I use it every day. I put it at the back of my office chair because I work from home and sit a lot. And what I found is that this is really, really comfortable. And there's really three main things I like about this. The first one is that it has this little ridge, which I put the ridge kind of at the bottom, and it gives that tiny little extra bit of lumbar support on that side. And I really like that. Second thing is it obviously has a carrying handle, which is useful if you want to just carry it around room to room. And what I like to do is I actually use this for yoga positions if I need to support my knees, as well as an office cushion for my chair. And what I also like is it has this kind of like almost like this non-stick coating on the back, which stops it sliding around. It's super comfortable. I have had no problems with this. And I use this, like I said, every day. This is my daily back support cushion for working from home from my office. And I love it. You know, if you're looking for a super reliable, durable office support cushion, then I highly recommend this. One thing I guess to be aware of is that it's kind of like this mesh material. So if you did spill drinks or food on it, it might be quite hard to clean that. But, you know, having said that, I have had it for about a year and I haven't spilled anything on it because it's behind you by definition. So in theory, it's quite hard to spill something behind you. But even if you did spill something, it does actually have this removable cover. So you could, in theory, just wash the cover as well. So yeah, I highly recommend this back support cushion.